Are you ready to draw
an ice cream cone?
Let's get started.
To get started, we're going to come down here towards the bottom of our page and draw a dot. And then about halfway up our page, we're going to draw 2 more dots right across from each other, one on that side and one on that side. Carefully, let's draw a line from one dot to the next. Again, connect your dots carefully. Try not to go past the dot. And then one more straight across. From here, we're going to make a smaller triangle. Let's add a line on this side that just follows along. And look, I created a new smaller triangle. Starting up here, let's do the same thing again. Another triangle I created that's smaller. Let's add another line. There we go. And we can keep doing this, making smaller triangles. Let's do another one. Oh, our triangle's getting smaller. How about another line? See, there's another triangle. Let's add one more. Right there. Oh, look at our tiny little triangle. Perfect. Now what I want you to do, starting right where these two lines attach, we're going to go the other way following this line. So we're going to come this way. One line. Let's do the next one. Coming across. Let's do the next one. Coming across. Each of these lines, we're just going to add another line the opposite direction. Does anyone have an idea what we're going to create? We're going to create from this triangle an ice cream cone. So now I want you to come up here and starting right on this point, we're going to draw a nice big circle just like that, stopping right at our line. Good. Same thing on this side, starting right at this corner. We're going to draw a nice big circle. Now up here on the top, from one circle, we're just going to create a curve over to the other circle. And look what we created. We created an ice cream cone. And there's our triangle that we started with. All right, let's go ahead and get started coloring.
My final drawing.
There it is.
Thanks so much for coming to join me today. I hope you had so much fun. Please come back for more. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.